So today we're doing the 4-point turn step. The last step that we did was the 3-point turn. Now we're doing the 4-point turn, and it's pretty easy because all you're gonna do is add one more step to the 3-point turn, thus making it a 4-point turn. Yeah, very easy. So here we go. Are you guys ready? Can't wait. Okay, so starting from the front, here we go. You're gonna step right, left, right, left. Now notice how I started facing forward and I ended facing to the right. That is because what it usually means is when you do a 4-point turn instead of a 3-point turn, you're going to change directions. Not always, but a lot of the time that's what it means. Now I'm going to show it to you while I am facing the back. Step right, left, right, left, and left, right, left, and right. Good job, guys. Almost done. Now let's check it out from the full body shot. Step right, left, right, left. And left, right, left, and right. Well, okay, guys, like I said before and have said over and over again, go and learn it. And do it over and over and over and over and over and over and over until you get it. And make sure that you try a few different songs out, like a song with a slow tempo and then a song with a fast tempo. Because once you add the steps to the music, it changes every time because every song is different. So just remember the counts and work on those steps. But make sure you watch this video over and over and over again until you get it, and then start adding in the music. Hopefully I'm doing my job right and breaking it down for you so that you can understand it. I would love some feedback. If you feel like I could do something better to help you out, better understand it, let me know please, and I will take it into consideration. Shalom, you guys. Thanks for watching.